Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today we're doing some mulch. As you can see, we have the bed. I wish I had pictures before. I'll look. Of both, we killed all the weeds here, sprayed. Been doing over a few weeks. And we're gonna put down mulch. We got 6 yards of mulch here. Show them what we got. Good Lord, that's a lot of mulch here. Give it to me, I'll show them. That's a lot of mulch. Okay, 14 feet. Like 8.5 wide, I think. Yeah. 3 feet tall. Yeah. That's a lot of mulch. Okay, come here. So, we forgot to bring the bipod. We're going to do a video and show it like time lapse. We're going to try to do that because it's kind of cool if we can have it going and doing a time lapse. But if not, we'll just take a whole bunch of pictures and make it like a time lapse. Alright, so see you guys in a little bit. that's it. We're all done. 6 yards of mulch down. We actually went about 6.5. We had more than that on the trailer. On the math, just a little higher in some spots, but it looks good. It's about 4 inches deep in most areas. That's what you'd like to do. Do at least 2, but probably 3. It helps fight the roots coming back, and even or for the weeds. But even when the weeds do, if it's thick enough, they their roots don't get, and you can just pull them up. As long as they're not nutsedge, you pull them up, you're gonna get a million nutsedge. Make sure you do like we did. If you saw everything was sprayed before we started, kill it again, and then kill it some more. It's like aliens. If you killed it enough, kill it one more time. It's never enough, okay? I think we sprayed 3 or 4 different times over like a month. Okay? Maybe over 2 months. I don't remember. It was the busy season. We can't do this stuff in the super busy May, June. It's almost the end of June. We had time. All right, so there it is. Looks pretty good, right? You like it? Get some pictures as we go. Right. Any questions? Ask. Make sure you got edge dug so that it doesn't just wash out into your thing, especially if you have a little slope like this. That's why I dug it even deeper and didn't go all the way top, because it's going to want to wash sometimes and we'll have to rake it over time. And then if you watch the video, the time lapse, you may not notice it because it goes pretty fast, but we walked all over the mulch a whole bunch to pack it down, and then put more, and then put more, and then walked all over it. Yeah, should I cover anything else? No? I'll put some weed killer or something in the link below. Rake, shovels, anything you need. A tarp, a wheelbarrow. Get a good wheelbarrow. Metal handles like we have right there, show 'em. With a pneumatic tire, which means flat free. It says it on the side. This wheelbarrow has lasted forever, but if you look, I actually had to like bend the metal that holds the tire right there on the front tire. I had to bend the metal, and then I had to like tack weld it a little because it moved. Or was that the old one?
I don't know.
That might have been the older one that we had. But this wheelbarrow is at least 10 years old, but maybe longer. And yeah, it's a bit of use, and it's still here. But like I said, pinch the metal so the tire doesn't fall out, because the axles will slip out. I think it was an older one that I had that got free or something. That was like 16 years ago. I don't know. Rambling, cleaned up. We're gonna pull out of here. I got some stuff under the trailer I gotta clean up, and then we're all done. Like I said, you have any questions? I just like watching the cool. I'm gonna make a separate video of just the mulch going down, so all y'all that just want to watch that cool stuff go. House took a picture of the mulch as every wheelbarrow. That just shrunk. All right. So that's it. Please like, subscribe. Every little bit helps me buy more Baja Blast. Was I drinking some in the video? No. Did I bring some in the beginning? I did, right? If not, I held up the camera during time lapse. You might have seen it go by real quick. Yeah. As always, I'm RJ. See you today, each and every day. Bye-bye.